Please.
Chapter 53, verse 12-14.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم فَأَوْحَى إِلَىٰ عَبْدِهِ مَا أَوْحَىٰ مَا كَذَبَ الْفُؤَادُ مَا رَأَىٰ أَفَتُمَارُونَهُ عَلَىٰ مَا يَرَىٰ. The translation of these three verses is, then Allah revealed to his servant that which he revealed. The heart of the Prophet lied not in seeing what he saw. Will you then dispute with him about what he saw?
Huzur, can in this spiritual vision, did the heart of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw Allah or Jibraeel?
Through Allah or?
Saw Allah or Jibraeel? Did the whole heart of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw Allah?
Whatever is revealed is the main angel in charge of this institution of revelation is Jibraeel. So he carries the revelation to the heart of prophets, but not from himself. It's 100% Allah's will which he reveals. But Allah is so remote in many senses that whatever is converted in the mid-heaven by Jibraeel to convey his will to the humans, that process is a very minute process we do not know. So ma'aha is also indicative of this. Something somehow was revealed that we ordinary people cannot understand. Even the prophets of Allah, other than Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, could not understand this. So his final manifestation that shone all over the Prophet's manifestations, it is that manifestation which is being talked about here. So you want to know whether it was Jibreel in between or not. Answer to this question is given in other traditions of the Holy Prophet, which indicate that a part of what he saw, in that part even Jibreel was not involved. This is final outcome. Although in all the revelations which we find in the Quran and also the books, according to the Holy Quran itself, Jibreel is involved. But his last glorious manifestation, this last glorious manifestation of Allah's his own revelation of his own person to him, was something which was beyond the reach and access of Jibreel himself, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So that something is mentioned in this Miraj, to which Allah Ta'ala says, Ma kazabal fuadu ma ra'a.
أَوْحَى إِلَىٰ عَبْدِهِ مَا أَوْحَىٰ.
Ola aha ila abdihi ma aha. None but Rasulullah, Allah and Rasulullah knew what it was, and the rest of the world, even Jibreel, could not understand it. Right?
And this is Abd we are talking about in the previous question.
That's right. Exactly. This is Abd, Kamil Abd.